is right. Hey guys, sorry about that. I was just seeing if my finger was on the speaker. Hey guys, I'm Sadie Pocket, and today we're doing another video, and we are doing a video with, yes, you guessed it, the little savage. And in case you don't know her, she is Peaches. I'm assuming all of you know who she is by now, or people who watch my videos a lot. I am currently wearing a Pikachu onesie, and we're going to see how Peaches reacts to some cat sounds. So she is eating at the moment, which is absolutely terrible. What? Okay Google, play cat sounds.
This is a cat.
She's looking, and she's not bothered. Right, I'll bring you a little bit closer to her. One sec. Okay, I'm back, guys. We have moved this a lot closer to Peaches now, so hopefully we'll get a better reaction. We tested this out earlier, and it was perfect. She came in the living room, because that's where it was, so just like looking around. Right, let's try it again. Okay, Google, what's your current volume?
The volume is currently set to 40%.
That'll do. Okay, Google, play 1 minute of cat sounds.
If you ask for a video, tell me which screen you'd like to watch it on. For example, on the TV.
Shush. Okay, Google, play cat sounds.
This is a cat.
Oh God. She just waits until it's over and then carries on eating. Oh. Okay, Google, play sounds for my cat.
Alright, here's my cat from hell, natural relaxation sounds on Spotify.
Okay, Google, stop. How about a bird? Because she has killed several birds. Okay, Google, make a pigeon sound.
This is a dove.
That's enough. Okay, Google, make a bird sound.
This is an American robin.
That'll do. She's seriously not bothered. She's bothered about her own species. She's so selfish. It's the food. It's just the food. She'll eat anything. She eats cheese. She eats ice cream. She eats egg. I mean, cats somehow like cheese and ice cream and egg. Right, so, Peaches, what do you think of that? What else should we do? What else do you kill? You kill mice? You'll kill froggies? How about Dougie? How about Dougie? Okay, Google, turn volume down to 30%. Don't scare it too much. Okay, Google, what's your current volume?
The volume is currently at 30%.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, wait. Okay, Google, I am recording you.
I see.
Okay.